Hello my dear children, I welcome you all to your math session. In this session children, this is the last session for chapter 3. In chapter 3 we have covered counting till 999, number names. Yes, few number names I have given you to write in your notebook, maths notebook. We have learned place value. And we have also learned how to represent a number on the abacus and expanded form also and backward counting too. So there are few questions left in my observation book. So in this session we will be doing question number 12 to 16 and MCQs. Okay, then we'll move on to chapter number 4. Children, you have to open my observations maths book, page number 37, question number 12. So children, what the question is saying to us, let us read. The number of runs scored by Indian team against other countries in the World Cup 2011 are given below. Write the expanded form of these numbers. Okay, these are the countries and these are the runs scored by different countries. So we have to just write the expanded form of these numbers. Yes, what is expanded form, children? As I have taught you, expanded form is the writing the place value of the digits in addition form. Yes, again I am repeating, writing the place value of the digits in addition form. Like this is 261. So 2 is at the hundredths place. So what is the place value of 2 here? 200. Yes. Place value of 6 is 60. And place value of 1 is 1. So 200 plus 60 plus 1. This is the expanded form of this number. Okay children. Now 260. So again 2 is at the hundredths place. तो 2 के आगे 2 घर और हैं. तो we will put 2 zeros in its place value. तो 2 की क्या place value है? 200. What is the place value of 6? 6 is at the tens place. 1 0. 60. Yes, 60 is the place value and we will put 1 0. And 0 is at the ones place. So place value of 0 will be 0 only. In this way, you will be doing this question. You have to write the expanded form. Now, next is, look at the number shown on the dice. Write the standard form of the number. Also write the expanded form. One has been done for you. So children, it is same. What is like on cubes? Yes, what is made? Dots are made and you have to count the dots and you have to write the standard form of the number. Standard form means number को हम simple way में जैसे लिखते हैं. Like 4 dots are there at the hundredths place. So 4, then 3 dots, tens place, then 1 dot at the ones place. So number becomes 431, 431, and then you have to write the expanded form of this number. 4 is at the hundredths place, so place value of 4 will be 400, place value of 3 will be 30, place value of 1 will be 1 only. Yes? One more I'll explain you. 2 is here on the first dice. It is at the hundredths place. So 2, then 4, then 5. You will be getting a 3-digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds. Now this is the standard form. Now expanded form, we will write of this number to 200. Place value of 2 will be 200. Place value of 4 will be 40. And place value of 5 is 5 only. Okay children? In this way, you have to do question number 13 on page number 38 and 39. Now, question number 14. Help the kitty cat find the milk by following the correct number order. Okay, number order means counting is written. You have to follow the correct counting and you have to help this cat to reach to the milk. Now, it is starting with 551, then 552, then 558 is here. So this is not the correct order. So we will go like this: 551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560. In this way, you will go like this in counting way and you will reach the milk. Yes? Now, question number 15 is, Sia, Riya and Rohan are friends. Their house numbers have the same 3 digits. These digits are 6, 7, 8. Sia, Riya and Rohan are friends और उनके house number की they have the same digits in their house numbers and these digits are 6, 7, 8. Now what we have to do? Using these digits, 3 digits, we have to make 6 numbers. Yes? So what we will do? सबसे पहले तो इन digits को use करके हमें 6 numbers बनाने हैं, 3 digit numbers. So first number I have made is 678. Then 876. Then 687. 867, then 786 and then 768. Yes children, इन 3 digits को हमें use करना है और इनको use करके we have to form 3 digit numbers. Yes? So हमने पहले 600 लिया, 78, then in this मैंने 7 को पीछे कर दिया, 8 को आगे कर दिया, तो it becomes 687. Then I have taken 876. Then in this number 867, then 786, then 768. These 6 numbers are formed with the help of these 3 digits. Now what it is saying, can you guess the house numbers of Sia and Riya? Remember, their house numbers have the same digit at the hundreds place. And that digit is the smallest in the given 3 digits. वो कह रहे हैं, the question is saying कि that हमें house number guess करना है सिया और रिया का और हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है? Remember, their house numbers have the same digit at hundreds place. 100 place पे उनके house number में same digits है and that digit is the smallest in the given 3 digits. तो 6, 7, 8 which is the smallest? 6 is the smallest. तो उनके house numbers में सबसे पहले 100 place पे क्या है? 6 है. Yes. So if Sia's house number is 6, 7, 8, अगर सिया का घर का नंबर 6, 7, 8 है, then Riya's house number will be 6, 8, 7. क्योंकि दोनों के house पे 100 place पे क्या है? 6 है. And if Riya's house number is 6, 7, 8, अगर रिया के घर के नंबर 6, 7, 8 है, then Sia's house number is 6, 8, 7. Understood children? Now MCQs. MCQs are multiple choice question. We have to choose the correct option. The number for 899 is 899 is the number name. What is the number for it? 899. Yes. 800 के लिए 8 and then 99. So 899. What is the place value of 6 in the number 386? What is the place value of 6? 6 देखो कौन सी place पे है? It is at the ones place. So place value of 6 is only 6. The place value of 5 is 50. In 5 की place value 50 कब होगी? जब वो टेंस प्लेस पे होगा. तो इन 3 numbers में देखो 5 टेंस प्लेस पे कहाँ है? In this number it is on the hundredths place. In this number it is on the tens place. So this is the correct option. What is the expanded form of the number 980? Expanded form is the writing the place value in the addition form. 900 plus 80 plus 0. So this is the correct answer. The numeral form of 6 hundredths, 7 tens and 8 ones is इसको नंबर फॉर्म में हम कैसे लिखेंगे? न्यूमरल मीन्स नंबर फॉर्म में हमें लिखना है. तो 6 at the hundreds place, 7 at the tens place and 8 at the ones place. So 6, 7, 8 is the correct option, children. All these questions you have to do in your My Observation book. Okay children, this is all about chapter 3. Now our chapter 3 is over. Now we'll move on to a new chapter, that is chapter number 4. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself.